icy roads and near-zero visibility conditions created an environment where even experienced drivers found themselves vulnerable to collision. The combination of slick surfaces and high winds led to numerous multi-vehicle pileups, with fatalities occurring both as a direct result of the crashes and as a consequence of delayed emergency responses in areas that had become nearly inaccessible. In addition to vehicular accidents, other weather-related incidents such as falls on icy surfaces and sudden cardiovascular events triggered by the cold also contributed to the overall fatality count.